Hare Krishna. Please have a look. This is very nice book.
तुम देखो मेरा हाथ के अंदर
No problem. पोस्ट लीजिए इस पे.
इस हाथ से नहीं पकड़ेंगे बुक है आफ्टर ऑल
This is a very nice book. This explains the laws of nature. Like what profession are you into?
I'm into business analyst.
Business analysis.
Yeah.
So you must be having some authority who certified your profession or something.
Yeah.
So like that authority must be having some rules which you have to follow.
Okay.
And if you do not follow that those rules, then what happens? You have to face some punishment.
Obviously.
Yeah. So similarly, this book explains how the nature in which we are living has made by someone, and that creator has made some laws,
Okay.
which if one doesn't follow, then he'll have to suffer the consequences.
That's very true.
Like science says, every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
That's very
So this is the same thing. I mean, very nicely explained in this book.
Content.
You are from Bombay only, sir?
Yeah, I'm from Bombay but working in Bangalore.
Achha. This would also be a. I'll give this.
Yeah, give that. I would like to see that one. Life.
Life comes from life. This is actually very much appealing to people who have coming from
Okay.
intellectual background. Here, I mean, all our schools and colleges, we have been studying the Darwin's theory,
Obviously.
which says that life comes from matter, how life
Okay.
generated from amoeba, and how it further went on. So similarly, here Prabhupada is having a disciple who is a scientist,
Okay.
and Prabhupada is arguing with him that how life cannot come from matter, it can come from life only. Here are the few arguments, you can read them aloud.
Okay. Okay.
Similarly, there is one very nice. I mean, the whole book is full of such beautiful logical arguments, rational arguments. Yeah, we cannot conceive how vegetation throughout the whole earth is automatically growing and fructifying. Cannot explain the biological growth scientists. They are simply juggling with words that molecule, chromosomes.
Very true.
And that is what even I have studied in my sense. But I was never convinced when I read. I mean,
That's
when I
very true.
studied. all
Everybody
this.
studied about all this.
Yeah. So we cannot explain how these things are taking place. And this is the last one.
Genetic and chemicals and biochemically.
Actually, this is an actual challenge which was given to a scientist in Sri Lanka. And this went on, I mean, all their letters were exchanged on newspaper in the Times of India. So there is an article of that also in this book. I mean, what all arguments that scientists gave. And finally, when he was called for a challenge to create life, then he was not able to come.
Okay.
So this is full, I mean, like actually these
Dialogue.
two books are said they go together.
Understand, but I would rather like to buy that, the first one.
Laws of Nature?
Okay. Yeah.
You will be coming back here when? Sir?
I'm here for 3 days. Today only I came here. For 3 days, and I'll be going back to Bangalore after that. So maybe in December.
December you'll be coming back. I would also request you, I mean, you can attend our course. We are having a 3-day course on Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
You might have read the advertisement outside on the bus stop. Also, yours
No,
also.
I came from this side, so maybe
Yeah.
this side. Okay.
When you will go outside, you will see then. I mean, there are 3-day course, a 3 sessions course where seminar is given, PowerPoint seminar. We have a project room behind also.